All right, everyone, we are having y is equal to cos theta. So we can change theta to x. So we will have y is equal to cos x. All right. So now what we have, we are having the values of x, and then we need the values of y. So what we can do, we can say cos of 0 degrees. When we press the calculator, the answer that we get will be 1. So we come here, we write 1. Okay, in short, what we are doing now, we are filling up the table. All right, so when we say cos 45 degrees, we press the calculator. What we get is 0.71. So we have got 0.71. When you say cos 90 degrees, you press your calculator. What you will get is 0. So you get 0. So we have got 0 here. And then if you continue substituting all of those values, what you are going to have right here will be negative 0.7. Here you will have negative 1. There you will have negative 0.7. And then you will have 0. And then there you will have 0.7. And then at 360 degrees, you will have 1. So this is the graph that we are having. The name of this graph is y is equal to cos x. Okay, so we need to answer the following questions. It says complete the following for each of the graph. So what you are having the amplitude. We want to know the amplitude of the graph. By definition, the amplitude is the distance from the rest position to the maximum. So the maximum value that we are having is 1. All right, therefore we have got the amplitude being 1. The period of the graph for sine and cos, what we are having is 360. All right, if you are doing grade 10, you just have to know that it's 360 degrees for sine and cos. And then for tan, it's 180 degrees. Now, when you go to grade 11, that will change. That will change. You will learn that it is no longer 360 degrees. So the period right here will be what? Will be 360 degrees. Okay. Now, we have got the range of the graph. We can get the range of the graph from the minimum value of the graph. The minimum value of the graph and the maximum value of the graph. Okay. All right, one thing that you need to know about the range is that you are talking about the y values. Okay, so you will say y is an element of negative 1 is to 1, right? Okay, now if you don't want to write like this answer, okay, if you don't want to write this answer, you can just say negative 1 and then you say positive 1. Range is the value of y, right? So then you say less than or equal to, less than or equal to. This is the same thing, okay? When you answer like this, you get full marks. So what you can do, you can answer like this or you can answer like that. It's the same thing. All right. So now we need to write the domain. The domain is the value of x. So x is an element of 0 degrees to 360 degrees. 0 degrees to 360 degrees. So what you can do, if you don't want to write like this answer here, you can just say x and then you write 360 degrees. Then you write 0 degrees, then you write less than or equal to, less than or equal to. That becomes the domain, okay? That becomes the domain. Only if you don't want to write x, it's an element of 0 degrees to 360 degrees. Okay, you write one of these answers and then you are correct. Okay guys, thank you for your time. Take care. Bye.